Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to take you on a journey to one of the most vibrant beach party scenes in the world, right here in Barcelona, Spain. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the hottest beach clubs in the city and experiencing the electrifying atmosphere of the Spanish coast. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel to join me on more exciting travel adventures like this one. And don't forget to leave your comments below to share your thoughts and experiences. Now let's get started. Pacha Barcelona boasts a spacious open-air terrace, an indoor dance floor, and an unbeatable view of the Mediterranean Sea. The club is popular among locals and tourists alike, and it's not uncommon to see celebrities partying here.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe my Patreon. Link below.
Moving on, we have Carpe Diem Lounge Club, or CDLC, a luxurious club that features an Asian-inspired design. The club offers a unique dining experience and features a stunning outdoor terrace with a view of the sea. It's the perfect place to enjoy a few cocktails and indulge in some of the finest cuisine in the city. Last but not least, we have Xoco Barcelona, an upscale beach club that's known for its lively atmosphere and impeccable service. The club boasts a prime location right on the beach and offers a variety of entertainment options, including live music and DJ sets. As we end our tour of Barcelona's beach party scene, I hope you've had a taste of the excitement and energy that this city has to offer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more travel adventures like this one. And leave your comments below to share your thoughts and experiences.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!